At the very edge of our solar system, beyond everything else, Neptune orbits the Sun in near total darkness. It takes 165 years to complete a single orbit. Few spacecraft have visited it. Only one has ever flown past. And for decades, Neptune has been quietly concealing one of the strangest moon systems in the solar system, a mystery that has puzzled planetary scientists since Voyager 2 caught a brief glimpse of it in 1989. Neptune has 16 known moons. But this moon system is unlike any other around a giant planet in the solar system. One moon, Triton, accounts for more than 99% of the total mass orbiting Neptune. The remaining 15 moons are tiny fragments, barely worth mentioning beside their enormous sibling. By comparison, Jupiter has 4 large moons and dozens of smaller ones. Saturn has multiple substantial moons. Uranus has 5 large moons of its own. The first clue that something violent happened here is the direction Triton travels. Every large moon in our solar system orbits in the same direction as its planet rotates, the natural consequence of forming from the same spinning disk of material. Triton does the opposite. It orbits Neptune in retrograde, moving against the planet's rotation. That single fact tells scientists something fundamental. Triton did not form alongside Neptune. It came from somewhere else. Larissa and Galatea are small, cold worlds. The temperatures and pressures at their surfaces and interiors have never been sufficient to produce liquid water or the clay minerals that require it. The only explanation for clay minerals being present on these moons is that they came from somewhere else, from the deep interior of a much larger, warmer ancient body. A body large enough to generate the internal heat and pressure needed for liquid water chemistry, a body that no longer exists. The most natural explanation, according to the researchers, is that Neptune once had a system of large moons, similar in scale to Uranus's 5 substantial satellites, that were shattered when Triton arrived and disrupted everything. What the rings and inner moons of Neptune may represent, then, is not a system that formed in place, but the remnants of something much larger that was torn apart billions of years ago. The clay minerals found in those fragments are essentially archaeological evidence, material from the deep interior of an ancient large moon, now scattered across Neptune's inner system, preserved in the rings and tiny moons that remain. Triton crashed the party and destroyed what was already there. Voyager 2 flew past Neptune in 1989 and remains the only spacecraft to have visited the planet. No space agency currently has concrete plans to return, but planetary scientists are increasingly vocal about the need for a dedicated Neptune mission. Every discovery from JWST only deepens the case. Neptune and its moon system are hiding far more than we've been able to see from Earth. For Spaceverse, I'm your host. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.